Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra battery step by step. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and open the hood. Disconnect negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal. Loosen the hold-down clamp, lift the old battery straight up with care, and place it on a rag or tray. Clean the tray and terminals before installing the new battery. Now we focus on removing the old battery safely. Start by loosening the negative terminal nut, then the positive, and tuck cables aside. Remove the hold-down clamp with a 10 mm socket and gently lift the battery straight out of the tray. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean with a baking soda solution if needed. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring positive and negative terminals align with the cables. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and secure it snugly without over-tightening the plastic casing. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, and tighten both 10 mm nuts. Start the car to confirm a successful install and check accessory functions like lights and radio. Reset clocks or radio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.